Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. First of all, sorry for the delay, but I am just recording this video third time and last two was not up to the mark. So that's why I'm recording this once again and this is the reason for the delay. So let's come back to the topic. Today in this video we will learn about the correct order of path parameter and I will show you what will be the issue if you not follow the correct order. So first let me create one another route, and for that okay, so this is our route. This will accept this item and after the forward slash one item ID. So let's run this and see the result. Here we will put item and after that item ID, and here you can see you requested item with ID 983. Okay, so here we can also put any string, so it will take anything. Now let me create one another route and then we will see the issue. The next is okay, so this is our second route, and here if user will put item and after a forward slash special, then this function should be call. Okay, so let's try this also, and but before that always see the server status. So this is in loading state, and here we need to put special. But you can see here you requested item with ID special. Okay, so we want call this route, but it is responding with this. Okay, the reason is when we enter some route, then first it looks and it founds the first parameter is item. Okay, and second we want special, but this is thinking that we are calling a variable. Okay, that's why instead of this route it is calling this. And the solution of this issue is always remember to put more variable route downside in the document. So we have this variable and this is fixed. So always more fixed will be go up and more variable will be go down. So if we will cut this and paste before this, the issue will be solved. Okay, so server has reloaded, and if we refresh this page we will get this. Okay, and I think there is some formatting issue. Now it is okay. And okay, so this is the our desired result. If we put special, then we will get this message, and if we put anything else, then we will get this result. Okay, so this was the purpose of this video. I hope you got this point very well. So hope you will enjoy this video. Now in the next video we will learn about predefined values in the path parameter. For example, here you want user put predefined values. For example, if we are talking about items, so item might be some fixed items. In case of computer accessories, it should be USB drive, then data cable, any type of connector, monitor, keyboard. So if user will put any other thing, it should give error. So this is called fixed parameter, and we will learn about that in next video. So meanwhile, please like this video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next. Till then, bye.